Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're going to unbox the iPad Air 5th generation from 2022. We're also going to unbox some accessories and check some of the new features of the iPad, like the Stage Manager of the new software update. So let's get started.
dusty. Best give it a spring cleaning.
Hardpoint identified. We tied for the lead. Hardpoint is ours. Identified.
Enemy down.
Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Point identified. Sentry gun deployed.
That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and testing the iPad. I really enjoyed it and I think I'm going to use it a lot. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!